Hi, I'm Luis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and I'm back to show you the final steps in preparing tomato concasse. And concasse tomato means peeled, seeded, and diced. So I showed you how to score the tomatoes and plunge them into a boiling water pot here. And we're going to pull these guys out. They're ready. They really don't take too long. Put these down, and these are nice and hot. Now, we want to kind of chill them down so these guys will start to firm up. It makes it easier for cutting, but also we want to chill them down to stop the cooking process because there's residual steam on the inside still cooking these guys. But it's a little bit easier to peel them when they're cold and not when they're flaming hot. So we're going to go ahead and drop these guys in my Pyrex bowl here. And again, that's just simply ice water. So I'm just going to kind of twirl these guys around. And as I do that, you'll see the skin falls off real nice and easy, which is what we're after. Again, we scored the base of the tomato and we made a cross cut so that the skin would split evenly in a uniform direction. And as far as the top goes, we cored the tomato so that the skin from the top also would do the same thing. So we'll let those chill down just a little bit more. Just breaking those into sections. And we'll let those sit for just a little bit and cool down because they're still pretty warm in the center. All the skin is gone. I just left the skin inside the bowl. It's no big deal. And we'll pull those tomatoes out and I'll show you how to get the seeds out and then we'll dice them. And it'll be a done deal.